Yo, what's up, everybody? It's J2O keeping it real FOREX KING for this weekly FOREX forecast for the week of September 20th to the 25th. So let's look at what's happening. So as you see, Monday, there's a bank holiday for the JPY pair. Expect to see, like not that much volatility in the market because it's a holiday for observation of hospital Equinox Day. So for this period, the market's gonna be pretty kind of slow. We traded JPY pairs, and also Sunday you can see it's still the bank holiday. So be careful if you trade JPY pairs. And then Tuesday, some more volatility in the market. The GBP pairs, when the Gov Bailey speaks. Also, the Fed chair Powell testifies. Just be a lot of momentum in the New York session. And also a lot of impact of the New Zealand dollar pair for agent session because of cash rates and RBNZ rate statements. So usually when you see these events in the market, expect to see volatility. Also Monday for Fed chair Powell speaks New York session, expect to see volatility for the USD pairs. Let's go to Wednesday. A lot of news for the euro. Expect to see volatility if you trade the euro pairs and also the USD pairs with the flash manufacturing PMI, Fed chair Powell testifies. Expect to see impact. And then we get to Thursday. You see Fed chair Powell testifies still, so expect to see volatility for the USD pairs and also for the CHF if you trade that. There should be some volatility during London session for that pair. Then Friday is pretty light, so don't expect too much crazy activities. That's pretty much it. So now let's get into the charts. So let's look at GBP USD. So as you can see, last week went up and ended down with a bearish candle. So the play for this week coming up, since we're still on the downtrend and it's retested on a higher time frame, I do see it potentially coming back down to retest this area of support. And if it breaks it, going to continuation down. But if the market decides to come back up and retest, it could retest one more time and come back down and create lower lows. That is a possibility. But if it breaks this area, over here, then you can see the market try to come back up this week. But right now it's overall downtrend. So probably for sales. And look for GBJPY, as you see, downtrend. I was hoping it was going to come back up this week, but clearly it didn't. So then we ended bearish. So I do see the market having more of a continuation downwards for this week. So that's the play. I do see a downtrend still. And then for AUD USD, this pair didn't move too much. As you can see with the wicks, it's kind of like it was like an uptrend for a couple of days, and last day kind of went down, but it was that much volatility in the market. I do see it retesting and then come back up because we're still overall uptrend. So I don't expect to see it come down and break below this area. I do see it coming down, potential test support, and going back up. And then let's look at gold real quick for all my gold traders. So gold pretty much like a solid, I do see gold going up still. For this week, I see gold playing around with the support area and just going back up. So I do see potentially uptrend still for gold, long-term move. And then for US 30, the Dow Jones. So pretty much based on the tech sell-off, that's why it's been dropping. But I do see the market potentially retesting this area of support and then coming back up to go back for the uptrend. I don't see the market continue to tank, but if it does tank, it'll be because the market came down below this area and closed. Then you expect it to come back down. But as of now, I see it potentially coming back up for this week coming up. So that's pretty much it. Definitely check the calendar. Also check investing.com to see the updates for news events, news releases that's affecting the market. So you have like an extra edge with the fundamental analysis as you trade. But right now, trade what you know what you think. And this past week was a lot of wicks. There was just a lot of like fake outs and stuff. If you go to the forward chart over here, there's a lot of fake outs. So this week, I'm hopefully it's more smooth and we see more of a correction for a trend for this pair. I know there's a lot of news for JPY for the first 2 days. So this pair might not move as much. So if we go to GBUSD, this might be a better pair to trade or more of a trend pair because this is how the market closed last week. So I do expect to see either a break of this trend line to show a continuation for a downtrend or respect the trend line. But that's pretty much it. Like, come subscribe, let me know what you think. You already know we out here. Peace.